Hello everyone, welcome to PGC Online Classroom. Today I am going to finish Unit 16, alright? So the first activity that I'd like to start talking about is number 8, discussion. So let's get to know some of this. Rewarding work. So these are the group work, but we just want to focus on the vocabulary that we want to learn, okay, because they are very important. Okay, so as you can see right here, working with animals, okay, teaching gifted children. Gifted children is about children who are highly intelligent or talented. Okay. And next one, cooking food at homeless shelter. Homeless shelter means a place where people with no home can stay temporarily. Okay, so they don't stay until the rest of their life. Okay, so they just stay only temporarily. Okay. Next one is working for non-profit organization. Non-profit organization. It is an organization or company whose goal is not to make money for itself, but instead to provide a charitable service. Okay, so they don't need money at all. Another one is working in a home for visually impaired. Visually impaired means blind. Okay, so another word is visually impaired, they cannot see. Alright, so nothing else everybody, it's just only the work that you can try if you want to. Okay, alright, so now let's go to number 9. That is a conversation. I think you can just listen and find out by yourself. Alright, and you can get the audio and listen to that audio and find out what it's all about. Okay, so now let's go to number 10, accomplishments and goals. So we have two parts. One is accomplishment right here, and the other one is goal. Okay, so accomplishment with present perfect or simple past. So we are going to use present perfect simple and past simple to talk about accomplishments. Okay, so one is about manage, and the other one is be able to. Okay, so as you can see right here, when you want to talk about accomplishments, the success that you have achieved, okay, so that you can just manage to and be able to. Okay, well actually we have so many other verbs, but we just focus only these two in the lesson. All right, so as you can see right here, I have managed or I managed to. You see that you can use either present perfect simple or past simple with the verb manage to talk about accomplishments. Okay, or you can use be able to, I've been able to, or I was able to. You see that one is present perfect and the other one is past simple. Still, these two are used to talk about accomplishments. So once again, in order to talk about accomplishments, you can use either present perfect simple or past simple. Okay, and the verbs are used for the accomplishments are manage to and be able to. Okay, so now let's go to goals with future perfect or would like to have plus past participle. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are goals, the two forms that we can use to describe goals in life. So one is a future perfect, future perfect. So we have will or will not have, and verb 3. Okay, or you can use with would like to have past plus past participle. Okay, would like to and then have and verb 3. All right, so it's similar to this. So in order to talk about goals, we have two forms. One is future perfect, model will, have, and verb 3, or you can say would like to have plus verb 3. Okay, so nothing else everybody, so it's about goals and accomplishment. So I think you can differentiate between the two. Accomplishment is success, goal is something that you want to achieve in life. Okay, so now let's try exercise all together. What are some of your accomplishments from the last 5 years? I think this is all about yourself, and you can check or uncheck if it is true. Okay, for example, I've made the person who's right for me. Have you met that person yet? If yes, check it. If not, okay, leave it blank. All right, go on to number 2 and 4. Okay, Alright, so that's it for A. And number 11, this is about listening, future plans. Then you can try listening at home, okay, and find out the answers. And I will send you the answers later, okay. So number 12, reading. I'm not going to spend time talking about that, but last one is reading young and gifted, I'm sorry. So as you can see, this article, this text is about talent. Gifted means talented, and young, you are young and you are talented, okay. So I'd like you to go through this reading, everybody. All right, these 3 paragraphs, and then try to answer to the question in part A and part B, okay. So read the article, find the words in italics in the article, then match each word with its meaning. So we have 2 columns right here, you have to match with the meaning right here. And then statement B, which statements are inferences, I'm sorry. And the other one is a restatement. Infer is just like to make a conclusion. Restatement is like we talk, okay. So we have I and R, but if you cannot find it, whether it is not I or R, then it must be NG, which is not given, okay. Hopefully you understand what you have to do right here, and if you have questions, you can leave me the question in our Telegram group chat. That's it for this unit, everyone. And if you have questions, once again, leave your questions in our Telegram group chat. Thank you so much. Goodbye.